Hey everyone, bald-headed Miles J here, and today I'm gonna be reviewing Elemohair.
Yeah, baby.
Wave, see, wave, believe, wave, achieve, wave, you. We review weave.
You will be getting my first impressions on everything up in this box, okay? Ooh, oh, okay. So you get a bag, that's something new. I always love seeing like the different things that each of these wigs comes with. So this has a tag that says 100% virgin human hair, unprocessed natural hair, no shedding and no tangle, hair soft and thick is healthy and durable. Let's see if this is true. These are an awful lot of claims, okay girl. It even says on the bag, best top grade human hair. Okay. Y'all are confident. All right, let's just get straight into this. The hair comes in this nice little bag. I don't know if it's just my sinuses or if this just smells. No, it's just me. This wig is apparently 250% density. That is a lot, girl. That's a lot of hair. 24-inch 360 lace frontal, and it's a big size cap. Thank God. Mama's got a big head and hair to go with it. And they're really, oh. Yes, I need another one of these. Inside of this bag is a little rat tail comb. Ooh, something else fell out. It says MAC color eyelash. So we got some rip off MAC eyelashes. These are not really from MAC. They're from MAC color lash. These are actually not that bad. I'm glad they're ultra big because actually I could do a lot with these. If y'all don't know what a 360 lace wig is, I'll just show you. It means that, boom, you got lace all around the dome. Lace all around the dome, okay? All around the dome. And on the top is where all the wefts and weaving is. You know, I can't English today. Give me a break. All right, I'm just gonna slip her on. Okay. Lord Jesus. Oh Lord. This is awfully tight for their large. There's a lot of work that needs to be done here. Girl, what is this hairline? What's going on specifically right here? Did I put this on wrong? Ooh, there are 4 combs on the inside. I really don't know if they all need to be there, I'm gonna be honest. Especially at the top of the cap like that. It's a weird place to put them. And drawstrings in the back. I'm gonna go zhuzh her up. Weave you magic. And here she is, her final form. So I'm happy to say that styling this wig was probably one of the easiest things I've ever done. If you guys want to know how I style my wigs, lay down my edges, all of that, I just made a video not too long ago. You can check that out right here, actually right here. There's gonna be a little eye right up in that area. You see that? I'm gonna need you to click that. So as you can see, I did cut a little bang into her, but I didn't want to change her too much for the sake of the video and to review the quality of the hair and all of these claims that it says here on this little tag and on the bag. And I'll do that after the police go away. Okay, they're gone. So it says here it's 100% virgin human hair. I can already tell that it is, of course. It says it's unprocessed natural hair. Now at first, as you could see from before, I'm definitely a little bit skeptical about that. I'm not so sure about it even now, like if it's unprocessed, but if it's any consolation, no smoke came out when I was straightening this hair. When you see a lot of smoke when you're straightening hair, it's normally the product that's in the hair that's evaporating, I guess you could say, or not evaporating first. Is it evaporation? So I didn't see any steam or anything like that really at all when I was straightening this wig, which was like, okay, maybe this claim is true. But you know, girl, I don't know. I'm gonna leave it up to y'all on that one. It says no shedding and no tangling. I will say there was a little bit of shedding, but that was just kind of initially right out of the bag. But besides that, there wasn't very much. Next thing, it says hair soft and thickest. This hair is definitely soft. Even after I straightened it, she looks pretty healthy. I mean, there is some split ends, I won't lie. But I cut a little bit of those off just to make her look more silky, shiny, healthier. And I added a little bit of oil to get rid of the frizziness and a little bit of hairspray. So I did, you know, zhuzh her up a little bit, okay? And let me compare that to this other wig that I got. Now, this is the same wig I used in my edges tutorial. Now, this is a lace frontal. When I tried straightening this hair, I put oil in this and everything, and it just looks, I mean, compared to this hair, she looks okay. But like, I don't know, there's just like this glow and this brilliance to this hair that this hair just doesn't really have. She looks dull, and even after I put like a bunch of oil in it and everything, like the ends are still kind of like curling upwards and splitting, and I straightened this hair. I did everything I possibly could to fix this wig. My main point is I can definitely tell the difference between this hair and the quality of said hair. This hair definitely feels a little bit more chalky. This one feels so silky and so smooth. Like there is no competition. Also, I think that's just a normal case of you get what you pay for. That wig was definitely cheaper and it came in bundles and I had to sew it myself. So I actually didn't even have to do that much plucking, honestly. When I was putting her on the wig cap, I noticed, I'm gonna just do this, you know, as a practice, just to see if it does what I think it's gonna do. Y'all see that? Like I just parted the wig from a random place and it already looks like it's plucked, you know? Like, look at it. On to the true test, the ponytail test. We're gonna need bobby pins. That's already like a point deducted. The combs on this are way too high. They're not anywhere where they need to be. All right, y'all ready? All right, let's do this. Ooh, okay, hold on. One more time. I mean, so far, so good. Ooh, maybe I spoke too soon. Ooh, maybe I should use this, baby. Oh, Lord. Ooh. Okay. Some issues. This right here. Other issue. This is not how I need it to be. Okay, I'm just gonna put it in the ponytail and we can figure out the rest. I just look like a damn fool. No. But hey, it didn't pull all the hair out. I will say this is pretty damn good, you know. This is not the best hair I've had, but it's pretty damn good. So I will say, for this wig, I will give it 4 Elmos out of 5. If you guys want to check out this wig, all links will be down below in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, it's been me, Miles J, and I'll talk to you guys all later.